Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss locus problems. More one video after that. After this video, one more video I will make. So total complete locus concept will cover in these videos. So let us have a discussion in this today's session. The ratio of distances question. Ratio of distances. PA is to PB concepts. If the distance from P to the points 2 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 3 are in the ratio 2 is to 3, then find the equation of locus of P. So I already said that in the locus first 3 steps, this is the way you have to write. You will get good impression to the examiner and as well as you will get a good score in our respective subjects. Mathematics 1B. Like the first point is let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. This is the first step. Next step, given points. What are the points available? They did not give names, so we have to assume that A is equal to 2 comma 3 and B equal to 2 comma minus 3. Next, given condition. Given condition. What condition is given? The ratio of distances. Distance from point P to this point and from this point to this point, the ratio is 2 is to 3. That means rough figure, just I am saying. P is the point, locus point, and A will be here and B will be here. The ratio of distances from P to A and from P to B, these ratios, the distances of these ratios, which are in 2 is to 3. Remember, dear students, 2 is to 3. So therefore, given condition PA is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3. So PA is to PB equal to 2 is to 3. Therefore, PA by PB is equal to 2 by 3. Cross multiply 3 into PA is equal to 2 into PB. After this step, squaring on both sides. That implies that 9 PA square is equal to 2 square, 4 PB square. So PA square, we know that, how to write. 9 into keep bracket PA square. Distance between P and A, whenever square is there, without root you can write x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. So PA square is over. Come to the RHS term. 4 into keep bracket PB square. X minus 2 whole square. Y minus of minus 3. Y plus 3 whole square. So that implies that 9 into x minus 2 whole square. X square plus 4 minus 4x plus y minus 3 whole square. Y square plus 9 minus 6y is equal to 4 times of x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y plus 3 whole square. Y square plus 9 plus 6y. After that, each and every term of RHS, LHS multiplying by 9. Every term of each and every term of bracket value multiplying by 4 and then simplify. So 9 into x square, 9x square. Next y square term. In order you are writing. 9 into y square, 9y square. Next, x terms, 9 into minus 4x, minus 36x. Next, y square term, 9 into minus 6y, minus 54y. Minus 54y. Next, 9 into 4, 36. Next, 9 into 9, 81. Why I am writing separately means I will tell that. Which is equal to, here also each and every term you have to multiply. By order you can take 4 into x square, 4x square. 4 into y square, 4y square. Next, x terms, 4 into minus 4x, minus 16x. 4 into 6y plus 24y. Next, 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 9, 36. Are you able to see that side? 1 minute. Yeah, are you able to? Both sides, 36 is the common thing. You should cancel it, 36. Now, first x square terms, 9x square, 4x square you can take this x, minus 4x square. Next, y squares, plus 9y square. Here, 4y square you can take this x, minus 4y square. Next, x term, minus 36x, minus 16x you can take this x, plus 16x. Next, minus 54y. 24y we can take this as minus 24y. Next, constant 81. Here constant 16 we can take this side minus 16. So 9x square minus 4x square, 5x square. Next, 9y square minus 4y square plus 5y square. Minus 36x plus 16x minus 20x. Minus 54y minus 24y minus 78y. 81 minus 16, 65. So plus 65. Therefore, the equation of locus of P, the equation of locus of P is 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x minus 78y plus 65 equal to 0. That's all. This is the way you can do that, dear students. It's very easy problem. One other exercise problem is, example problem is there, that also I will discuss. By using same procedure, we'll get the answer. So this type of questions. Difference of distances. We'll move to the next question. The next question, which is also related to same concept, that means ratio problem only. If the distance from a point P to the points A of 5, minus 4, B of 7, 6 or the ratio 2:3, then find the locus of equation of locus of P. First step is as usual, given points. The points is given now, A equal to 5, minus 4 and B equal to 7, 6. And the ratio is also 2:3. That is the reason I kept like this only. PA is to PB equal to 2:3. PA by PB equal to 2/3. Cross multiply. 3PA is equal to 2PB. After that, squaring on both sides. 9PA square equal to 4PB square. So 9 into, keep bracket, PA square. Distance between these two. X minus 5 whole square. Plus y minus of minus 4. Y plus 4 whole square. Is equal to 4 times of PB square, x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. So now expanding, 9 into x square plus 25 minus 10x y square plus 16 plus 8y this side. 4 into x square plus 49 minus 14x y square plus 36 minus 12y. So this bracket value multiplying each and every term by 9. 9x square, 25 into 9, 225 minus 90x plus 9y square, 16 into 9, 144 plus 9 into 8y, 72y, 4x square plus 49 into 4, 4 nines of 36, 196 minus 56x plus 4y square plus 144, 36 into 4. Next minus 48y. Both sides 144 we need to cancel. After that, first this side x square, y square, x and y. So first 9x square plus 9y square. Next x term minus 90x plus 72y. Minus 90x plus 72y. Next constant here 225 is there. 225 which is equal to this side 4x square plus 4y square. Next x term minus 56x minus 48y and constant 196. In the next step, these values we are taking this side. That implies 9x square minus 4x square plus 9y square minus 4y square. Next x terms minus 90x plus 56x. These values we are taking this side. Next plus 72y plus 48y. Next plus 225 minus 196. So 9x square minus 4x square, 5x square. Next 9y square minus 4y square plus 5y square. Minus 90x plus 56x. So it will be minus 34x. 72 plus 48, 120y. 225 minus 196. So here plus 29. Therefore, at last we have write the locus of point P point P is 5x square plus 5y square minus 34x plus 120y plus 29 equal to 0. These two problems belongs to the ratio problems, PA is to PB equal to 2 is to 3 problem. Only two problems we have. If they want to give in the concept of ratio among these two, any one of them guarantee they will give in the public examination, dear students. Those who want to take that help, and practice is very much required in especially 1BDA students. Without practice, it is not possible. First one time you listen this class, after that you should practice more. Practice makes man perfect. One proverb is there, no? So you can follow that. Why I'm insisting to practice this one, especially one begins. Equation part, first thing. While solving equations, any one minus or plus will change your total answer. That is the reason I am suggesting you people, dear students. I hope everyone enjoyed this class, and any doubts are there regarding this class, please write to my comment box. I will respond in my free time. Thank you all. Jai Hind.